Tell them like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Nah.
Santa, tell me if you really cares, 'cause I can give it all.
Hey besties, I'm AMilli, and this is, what's your name?
Skylar.
Skylar. You say happy Vlogmas with me? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy Vlogmas! So in today's video, as you can see from the title, we will be making snowman cake pops. Yes, snowman cake pops. And the key ingredient is Oreos. So first things first, we're gonna let you know all the materials that you need. We have Oreos, and then you need spatula, icing, cream cheese, and lots and lots of, what is it? Say it with me. Sprinkles! Okay, and then we have these popsicle sticks right here, so you need these too. And then you need the blender. And then just pour it in right here. Go ahead, pour it in. Grab the bag. Okay, or do it like that.
Then I'm gonna mix bobby cream. This also makes the snowman. Gonna make cake pops and daily charges.
Yep.
And we're gonna make this like apple and just like me. And we're gonna do it cookie bag and this. And
Okay,
this.
you want to pour it in there?
Yeah.
Let me hold your candy while you do it, okay?
Okay.
Now just pour it directly in the bowl. Look, there's some at the bottom. You gotta shake it. With that. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the cream cheese in it, okay? Okay, now we gotta mix it, okay? See, like that.
Okay.
Be very careful.
And I like it.
No, you can't eat it. Let me do it. Sky, you can't eat it.
It's good.
I know it's good, but we're supposed to be making a cake pops with it.
And daily charges. And this cake.
Mwah. Tell them like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Look, it's turning into clumps now. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Listen, it do taste good. Go ahead, sit on the counter. This is the only time we can sit on there. Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Thank you for my TT.
Oh, I love being your TT. It's fun.
And I too.
Yeah.
It's the next.
You want some more already? Tell them what you want for Christmas.
I want Christmas Barbie doll, tail light, and toys, scoop by me.
Do you want a baby doll?
Yeah.
And you said you want a microphone, right? So you can sing?
Yeah.
You want to sing Let It Go?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Let it go.
Let it go. Ooh, look at that. You see? That looks good. That look good.
Yeah.
All right. We got that. Okay. So now this is what we're about to do. So grab a piece. Don't eat it. Okay? Here, grab some more. And make a little ball like this. You see?
Yeah.
Do that.
That's like it's an
Yeah, like a snowman. Look at that. We got one head. Oh my God.
It was there.
Yeah, don't keep eating a snowman. We weren't supposed to eat them just yet, okay? Hey, grab some. Yep. Now that's too much, so let's take a little bit out, okay? Just a little bit, like that. Alright.
But that's hand.
That's a hand? I thought we were just making hands in the butt.
What?
Keep rolling around a little bit more. Can you roll that one around just a little bit more? No, that one. This one. Yeah. A little bit more, okay? Look, like this. Do your hand like that, and then move around like this. There you go. Look at you. Okay, now let them see. See? That's a circle. Just keep rolling around, okay? That's gonna be a head. I think we can make at least. We can probably make 3 more snowmans. One hand flat, and then move the other hand around. Or you can do it like that. Look. Bam. Look at that.
Help me?
You need help? No?
No.
You say you got it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Ooh, okay. So we just gonna have 5 snowmen. And I guess this just gonna be the last butt.
What's my idea?
They dirty? You wanna go wash your hands? Okay, go ahead. Sit down.
Be my first so much.
You got it?
No?
Okay, let me do it. Bam.
Hot?
Hot and cold. Let's do a mixture. There you go. So instead of using white chocolate, we're gonna use icing because
Me and my friend.
convenience. That's all I'm saying.
I want more.
You need more of what? Can you give me a second? Let's do this.
Okay.
We're gonna assemble this snowman, okay? Now you start the timer. Just put it on 30 seconds.
That's too loud.
What's too loud?
This.
No, not this. It's gonna be the microwave. The microwave not loud.
Is this low?
Yeah, it's gonna be very low. So press this one, okay? Press that.
This?
Yep. Just press it. You wanna do it together? Okay, 1, 2, 3. See?
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
So, okay, count for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Do I need more? No? Okay. Good.
Good.
All right, now that we have our icing together,
Yeah.
now I'm gonna do the first one, okay?
I need chocolate. Okay.
So first you gotta dip it in there, like that.
Me too.
And then you do it like this.
Okay.
Oh, something like that.
Me too.
And then, wait. You gotta dip it again.
Uh-oh. I dip it. Oh.
They gonna look wonky, but they snowman.
So pretty.
You see it? First snowman.
I'm gonna search for this.
Did you dip it first? You did? No, first, look, we gotta put the bottom, the biggest one first, right? So, you gotta push it on there. Okay?
Okay. And that's one is a big one.
Hold on, wait. I'm sorry. Okay, now, put that one on there. Yep, and just squeeze it. I think we're supposed to wait. Let me do it.
No, he's walking.
Y'all know I'm not good at baking, so.
He's walking.
Look, that's 2 snowmans.
Yeah. Next is 2.
And we got 2 more left, right? You gonna do this? You do one, I do one, okay? So first, dip it right here. Right? Now we grab the biggest piece first. Okay, grab that one. Yep, and then slide it down. Okay. Now we dip it again. See? And then we slide it down again. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna let it sit in the freezer for like 30 minutes, okay? So it can freeze. Hey Siri, put on the timer for 30 minutes. These are the snowmans right here. You want to play peanut butter jelly? Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Whatever it's called back. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Yeah. Go Sky. Go Sky. Go Sky.
We're not finished yet. Oh, this is still man.
Okay.
I will do decorating.
Yeah. We just gonna do this one together because they all stuck.
It's so cuddly fun.
It's cute, right? Okay, we putting gingerbread. Let's do the buttons first.
Yeah.
We're gonna do pink. That's a snowflake?
Yeah.
Okay, what about this one? You wanna put it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stars.
Oh my gosh, look at the snowman.
We do another one.
You wanna do another one?
Yeah.
Okay. He look kind of crazy. Okay, let's blink him out. Let's put a little bit.
Look at him.
Try these.
Yeah, Christmas.
And then let's put some candy canes. Oh. Let's try one, okay?
Okay.
How it taste?
Good.
It tastes good. It tastes very, very sweet.
We do a little more.
You want more sprinkles?
Yeah. So cute. That was so for me.
Thank you all so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
These good. They just very, very sweet. I wanted to get a picture of them.
Santa, tell me if you